Hey, what's up, guys? So, as you know or may not know, I am currently on my weight loss journey, and I wanted to share this very healthy and fabulous soup that you can make that will help you lose up to like 15 pounds in 1 week, and it's the cabbage soup. So, as you can see, I'm just showing you all the ingredients that I use. I use the purple cabbage as well as regular cabbage. I use carrots, red onions, and regular onions. I'm gonna cut up some garlic, celery, and a different variety of peppers. And then basically you cut all of these up. You're gonna simmer it in a pot, or well, preferably a pot. And then make your cabbage soup. And people make it a lot of different ways. This is how I make mine, how I made it. And I did put grapeseed oil in it to sear all the onions, and I put all the vegetables in the pot first. Mix them around real good so that nothing is sticking to the bottom of your pan or pot. I did add kale in mine. A lot of people may not use kale, but I did want to use kale in mine just to make it even more healthier and fulfilling for me, especially if this is all you're going to be eating for a couple of days. Then I went ahead and put the cabbage all in the pot after I put out the vegetables. And yeah, guys, my pot was too little, as you can see. I still had vegetables over there. But I did add in the whole box of chicken broth. You can go ahead and season up your vegetable mixture for your soup how you would like, and this is the final product. And I did switch pots to a bigger pot. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching.